Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Overwatch and you keep getting this general error with this error code, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Overwatch easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your game's platform, and then what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Overwatch. I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example, and then you're going to go into properties. You're going to go into install files, and here you're going to click on to verify integrity of game files and let it verify the game's files. And once it's done with that, now what you're going to do is you're going to go into browse here on Overwatch. I'm going to show you on Counter-Strike as an example. And now what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Overwatch exe, and then you're going to go into properties, and then you're going to go into compatibility, and then you're going to click on to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. So just click on both of these settings, click apply, okay, and now you're going to try to run Overwatch and you'll see that your game will now work. You will not get that general error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.